ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಬರೋಡಾ 117ನೇ ಸ್ಥಾಪನಾ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಸಂಭ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ವಲಯವು ತನ್ನ ಸಿಎಸ್ಆರ್ ನಿಧಿಯಿಂದ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಶಕ್ತಿನಗರದ ಸಾನ್ನಿಧ್ಯ ಭಿನ್ನ ಸಾಮರ್ಥ್ಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ವಸತಿಯುತ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಕೊಡುಗೆಯಾಗಿ ನೀಡಿದೆ. ಸಾನ್ನಿಧ್ಯ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದ ಸಮಾರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನ ಜನರಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ವಲಯ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥ ರಾಜೇಶ್ ಖನ್ನಾ, ಡಿಜಿಎಂಗಳಾದ ರಮೇಶ್ ಕಾನಡೆ ಮತ್ತು ರಾಜಶೇಖರ್, ಪ್ರಾದೇಶಿಕ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥ ಸನಿಲ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರು ಈ ಕೊಡುಗೆಯನ್ನು ಹಸ್ತಾಂತರಿಸಿದರು.
The way this institution has been carried forward since 2003 to today, it's a what I do not have any word in my dictionary to express. This is a fantastic and fabulous work being carried by the entire team of Sanidhya School, and I am really surprised and mesmerized while watching the performance on national integrity of those children, and it's some different kind of feeling for me, and it is going to be a lifetime watch for me, and it is going to carry a lifetime memory for me. This is
noble cause when our bank is participating and giving a small equipment required for their requirement, but the way the people performance, having talent, having all capabilities and giving the performance are different, but here this children what performance they have given really wonderful. I am requesting my general manager and the DGM Ramesh, if possible, consider this program for our main event, which is scheduled tomorrow. It is only 10 minutes.